Hey guys, so I've carried this guy here. This guy is not all that way good, but when you check about it, this one is not working. The fuel ray is too rigid. The choke is okay. Oh, when you turn it, it looks to be good. And this is the check oil. Now, when you look at the air cleaner is also missing. So when you check the compression, let's see. It's not starting. Just because maybe there is no fuel and other things that may come in the process as we have started. But when you check over here, let's see if oil is still there. Yeah, there is oil. But very dirty. Okay, so when you look at the other power output, these are the three wires, earth and live neutral. And then when you look at the switch here, the switch also still okay. I hope, because I haven't started it to see, but when you look at it here, it looks to be leaking oil. When you look at it here, it looks to be leaking oil. So yeah, hope we're going to fight with it and it will come back to normal. Cool.